If somebody asks me whether I want to be rich or poor, what do you think my answer would be?
Rich.
Rich. What would be your answer?
Same thing.
Rich?
Who wants to be poor?
No one wants to be poor. Why you want to be rich?
Why?
Yeah, why?
So I can have an easy life.
Easy life. What's an easy life for you?
You know,
Having
working,
a house,
having a house,
$1 million in your bank account, I guess.
a few million in the bank account,
Few
a private
million.
jet, a private yacht, you know,
Alright.
stuff like that, you know,
Nice.
bouncing all over the world.
What's your name?
Jake.
Jake Sudha. Nice to meet you. So, why you want to be rich?
To do what I want?
Like what? Be an actress?
No. To travel.
Travel.
Yeah.
Travel around the world.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I
that,
love family.
but what's rich means to you? Like having a lot of money in your bank account, or what exactly from your perspective? How you want to define being rich?
Yeah, definitely. Being happy.
Being happy. How about you?
I don't prefer to be that rich, actually.
Not that rich.
No.
Somewhat rich.
I'll take
Millionaires
hers
like-
if I can.
I'll take her extra.
Yeah.
I don't mind because I love to give, and I sometimes I feel I don't have enough to give. So I wouldn't mind in that sense.
Yeah, maybe like certain amount in the bank, just
Certain
to
amount.
not need anybody in my life. A house, a nice car.
Nice guy.
Yeah, and maybe if I can travel somewhere, like to see some
See
places.
things.
That's it.
How about you? I'm asking you guys because I want to see what you have in your mind